Welcome to the partner experience of Cisco Ready. Cisco Ready is your first stop to understand and true up your customers' install base through detailed reporting. Save time by running your own reports and finding data that translates into real sales opportunities. By utilizing Cisco Ready, an authorized Cisco channel partner can view software and subscription opportunities, perform customized ad hoc analysis and reports with Explorer functionality, collaborate with the Cisco account team on opportunity qualification, interact with dynamic charts, reports, and metrics, apply custom filters to view tailor-made analytics and reports, export custom dashboards to user-friendly reports or raw data sets for further processing and analysis. CXIB methodology. Take advantage of CXIB methodology through Cisco Ready. This is a highly successful sales motion, proven to help Cisco partners use installed base visibility to deliver simplicity and operational efficiency, increasing their relevancy and profitability with their customers. Cisco Ready consists of three main sections. Analysis. Here you can view the full install base of your customers. This gives you access to all your customer Cisco data. Total Asset View shows you all the hardware and software, and Coverage View shows you the coverage of the items. The Opportunities section shows the opportunities for product refresh, software renewals, and service attach and renew. Explore, craft custom-made tables, dashboards, and reports. With a user-friendly dynamic drag-and-drop interface, making your own tables and reports has never been easier and more fun. Campaigns. Switch between specific sales opportunities from ongoing Cisco campaigns. All campaigns show high-level information such as number of customers with opportunities within the campaign and the count of items that meet the campaign criteria, as well as sales and promotions around the campaign and other relevant information. Contact your local Logicom Cisco account manager, services manager, or pre-sales specialist for more information on how to access and leverage PXB within your organization and teams.